What's up, guys? This week we got this 2019 BMW X3 in for a full transformation. It's not just getting a wrap, it's going to be getting all the silver deleted around the windows. There's some in the front, some in the back. Badges going black, full ceramic coating on top of the wrap, and to top it all off, he got a crazy MAXTON design kit that's like all splitters on the lower sections, so side splitters, front lip, and rear diffuser extensions. So this car is gonna get the works. I can't wait to see it done. He picked 3M high gloss blue raspberry. Now this color he wanted to find a wrap color as close as he could to BMW color called San Marino blue. So that is the closest color to it. It's high gloss from 3M, so it's got a cap sheet, and on top of that it's got like almost no orange peel. The only orange peel you'll see is from the car's paint. So this one's gonna be crazy, guys. Just gonna be fully stripping the car today, whatever I need to take off. Probably these front grills, the badges, that lower piece is gonna be black. I don't think I'm gonna go full blown with the trims and the mirrors. There's no point since this car is dark. I'll get full coverage anyway. We're gonna take off the door handles and that's it. Roof will work around the antenna. Not too worried about that. Those are always siliconed on from factory. The rear is also getting brand new LCI tail lights. So these are factory. They're tinted, as you can see. That's kind of peeling. That doesn't matter because they're going to be brand new. They're in that box right there, and they a lot of people call them the Halo Sword, the way they look, you know, going in. So you guys will see once they're done. I'll probably put those on today. And yeah, so the rear is going to have that diffuser down there from MAXTON. These badges, they're plastied, but I think I'm going to make them gloss black. This is going to come off, and yeah, guys, so this one is gonna be a crazy transformation. It's gonna look like a brand new car. You can see he's got some new wheels on it. They look amazing for this car, and I think they're gonna work really well with that color. So stay tuned. We're gonna get this thing going on a time lapse whenever I start wrapping, and I'll show you guys the taillights and everything too. So. Update, guys, while I'm doing this chrome delete, I knocked this passenger side out other than the roof rail, which I'm going to do those two last. but you could see everything on the chrome trim around the windows is blacked out. Those two lower pieces are blacked out. So everything came out beautiful. It's all, you know, done proper, no cut seals, no cut rubber. So there's that. And then I want to compare it to this side that has the chrome trim. So you can see how much of a difference blacking that out really made. It just changes the car completely. I mean, this just looks, it doesn't even match the car at all with this, with the silver, the chrome. And I think I'm gonna leave the mirrors black just because it all, you know, goes together, flows with the all the trims. So yeah, there's that little side by side. This thing looks absolutely nuts, guys. Fully done, head to toe. It's just completely transformed to a car like you wouldn't even think twice. You would think this thing has like 600 horsepower under the hood or something. He has an intake in there. He's got his own interior parts that he done up in carbon. And obviously now it's done with me, it's a completely different car from that original gray color. It just looks brand new. So fully done in 3M high gloss blue raspberry. It's a really sick color. They have a high gloss line that has a very little orange peel. The only orange peel you'll see is in the paint job through the wrap, and obviously any imperfections. We did the full chrome deleter on the windows, the roof rails, the lower parts of the doors. The front and rear had a couple pieces that were already done before me. So everything's blacked out that can be, that used to be chrome or silver. And just that alone, even if you didn't get a color change, just completely changes the car too. I mean, it's such a minor change, but it's so necessary just seeing all that black around the trims. I think you guys saw the comparison I did when I did one side and not the other. So after that, we topped it off with a full ceramic coating by GTECHNIQ. It's a two-step, two-layer ceramic coat with their CSL and the EXO, and it just feels like glass completely. Like it just, everything's gonna slide off of it. It's unreal. So topped it off with that. We also did a full lip kit. This is actually from Poland. It's called MAXTON design, which is cool to see something coming out of Poland because I'm Polish, and it's high quality. It's fully, you know, it was a perfect install. Went really smooth. It's gloss black ABS plastic, and they provide all the screws and everything you need and whatnot. It included that diffuser in the back too. So full lip kit on this thing, and it's not too tacky. It looks perfect for the car. It just gives it that right amount of aggression. The only thing it could use probably is just to be lowered a little bit, and this thing would just be perfect. We also did the emblems on the wheels. So the wheels are from a different company, and he just bought those overlays. So hopefully those stay because they don't fit perfectly, but he wanted me to put them on. Then in the rear, taillights, fully changed to the LCI ones. People call them the Halo Sword. If you guys are gamers, you'll know what that is or what that means, but it has this cool startup sequence. And yeah, they look sick. They absolutely transformed the rear end from the original ones that just look completely out of touch with the real world. So yeah, that's cool. Whole roof spoilers done. This piece used to be like a gloss black trim, but it's so faded. The car just has its age, you know, already 7 years old. So I just did a black piece over this, so it's nice and high gloss black. What else? That bottom diffuser is half black, and that blue part in between the plastic right there, that blue lower diffuser was just a paint color, so I color matched it. The emblems he had already, so these are a nice touch with the carbon in it. And yeah, guys, I mean, this thing just, it's unreal. I mean, look at that. It just looks like a brand new paint job. And that lip kit kills it. Shout out my dad for helping me with that, helping me hold it and whatnot. He was around, so we installed it. Went pretty smooth, couple hours. That front lip looks unreal. It's like a two-step lip. As you can see right there, MAXTON design. So it has those aggressive fins in the front. The owner had these in, so these are aftermarket too. M double slack gloss black grills, which is you know, the factory M style. So that's a dope upgrade. And yeah, look at this shot. So let me know what you guys think. This thing came out insane. Fully done up, head to toe. Absolutely, like this. I think this might be one of my best or my favorite transformations, one of my best jobs, just because of so much work went into it. And you know, just he got the works done. So the mirror caps too, these are like the M style with the winglet. The interior that I was talking about, he's got the carbon bits here, steering wheel cover, all of this carbon stuff. So yeah, shout out Mike, he's the owner. We were in touch last year, and then he finally booked, and this is what came out of it. So this is unreal. You guys seen the shots already. I'm gonna pull it out tomorrow to take those shots during the day and let the ceramic coating cure overnight. So yeah, here's a BMW X3. This is a 2019. It's X-Drive 30i, so like the base model. But like I said, dude, you cannot tell that this is a base model. And I think it's got the perfect touch to it now. And, you know, if someone pulls up next to him, they're going to think there's a lot of power in this thing and try and test it. You know, if he keeps up or not, or if he beats them, I don't know. We'll see if he's a racer. But, yeah, guys, let me know what you think. And on to the next one. This thing came out sick.